Hello everyone, today we learn about dry fruits and nuts name. So let's start. Chestnut, cashew nut, foxnut, peanut, almond, pine nut, betel nut, pistachio, coconut, plum, fig, apricot, raisins, dates, macadamia nut, walnut, pecans, dry dates, Brazil nuts, soya nuts, black raisins, dry pears, prune, dry apple, dry goji, dry banana, dry orange, dry kiwi, dry pineapple, dry peach, dry berries, dry papaya, dry mango, charoli, pumpkin seeds, poppy seeds, sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, watermelon seeds, poppy seeds, coriander seeds, fennel seeds, flax seeds, cumin seeds, black cumin seeds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.